First things first. Now it's time for unboxing. Look at this. This box contains a Guardian 62, our premium helmet, fresh from the pallet and a detailed user instruction. Every helmet comes already pre-assembled and ready for use after some minor adjustments. It consists of the following parts: the helmet itself, external grind button, front cover lens, inner lens, auto darkening filter ADF, headgear and sweatband. But the best specs won't matter if the helmet doesn't fit, so always make sure to adjust the helmet perfectly to the user's head. This is done by fitting the sweatband and the headgear for comfort. There is adjustment on the top strap, longitudinal adjustment and angular adjustment. So, unboxing is pretty much the same for all of our helmets. Now find out how we ship them.